I have problem in my nose. إن عندي مشكلة في الأنف اللي عبارة عن الجيوب الأنفية.
Like this one?
Yes, this one. This one. Problem, this one, too much green coming from nose. Now I try to make somebody give me medicine. I try too much medicine and not succeed. ما نجحتش يعني. If you can make it, يبقى good.
Yes, acupuncture for you. Did you feel headache?
I have headache. أنا عندي صداع. بيجي لي صداع شوية في الجنب. وهنا بيبقى شوية برضو problem هنا.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now I'll do acupuncture, okay?
Okay. Dr. Chan, I use this acupuncture is very nice for me. The nail, what you keep it, I feeling better now.